Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Docker containers running AI automation services. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Docker containers running AI automation services, start by accessing your terminal or command prompt. Make sure Docker is installed and running on your machine. List all existing Docker containers to identify the one you want to restore. You can do this using the command docker ps. Find the container ID or name of the stopped container you wish to restore. Next, to restore the container and start it, use the command docker start container _ID_or _name. If your container requires specific configurations, check your Docker Compose file or relevant configuration files. If the container needs to be updated or modified, make the necessary changes to the Docker file or the Compose file. After making changes, rebuild the container with the command docker compose upbuild. This command ensures that the latest configuration is applied to your container. Once the rebuild process is complete, start the container using the docker start container _ID_or_name command again if it doesn't start automatically. To check if your AI automation service is running, use the command docker ps. This command will list all active containers, allowing you to confirm that your service is up and operational. If needed, access the logs of your container for troubleshooting using docker logs container _ID_or_name. This will give you insights into any issues that may occur during startup. If your service runs on specific ports, verify that they are accessible by testing them in your browser or using a tool like curl. You can also use docker exec to enter the container shell for advanced troubleshooting with docker exec at container _ID_or_name/bin/bash. After confirming everything is functioning as expected, your AI automation service is successfully restored. This concludes the restoration process for Docker containers running AI automation services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.